No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Rebby's PlayTime. This is what I was doing to the car.
Wow. Hello. Oh. Did Percy speak? What's your name? My name is Renji. Renji? I told you, my name is Renji. Hey, Renji? Yes? What's your name? Oh, my name is Thomas. Oh, tomato. Not tomato. My name is Thomas. Oh, Thomas. Not Thomas. My name is Thomas. Oh, okay. Thomas. Cinders and ashes. Not Thomas. My name is Thomas. Ah, Thomas. What about you, little man? I'm Percy. Pansy? Ah, no, I'm Percy. Percy. Panties? How could you say my name like that? I'm sorry. I have some ear problems. So, your name is Panties? No, my name is Percy. Well, Percy.
You want to see something cool?
Something cool, what?
So face those traps.
Okay. What is that? What is that? Wow! Oh my! That's super cool. What is next? Hey. Whoa. That's super cool train. What is the name of that train, little boy? Whoa! That's my friend. Wow! Ooh, it's amazing. Whoa! Oh, let me smell. Oh my! Ooh. Percy, come here. Ooh, smells like smoke. Ooh. Whoa! What is that? Open, close. Are you okay? Are your fingers hot?
Excuse me, Thomas and Percy.
Yes. What are you doing?
So, did you know my dad put this in Corsi butthole to
What?
check its temperature.
What are you talking about?
Really? So it has some bit of poo on the end.
What? That's silly. Horsey thermometer temperature?
Yes.
Oh, don't worry. You don't have to take temperature on us. Oh, no. Don't do that, please. Ooh, no. Oh, hey, what are you doing? Rebby, that tickle. I should get going. Am I okay?
Yes, it says only one.
Oh, okay. Percy, are you okay? Yes, that was a little bit strange. Oh, cinders and ashes. I'm happy that I'm not doing that.
Wasn't it quite sharp?
Oh, a little bit sharp. Oh, no, Rebby. Don't check my temperature.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hello everybody. Hey, Percy and Thomas. What you guys doing here?
We're just playing.
Just playing. Well. So, well.
Can I take your temperature?
If you want to watch more, what? No. Oh, stop that. I need to take the temperature. Oh, no. I hate little boy. Oh, no.
There.
Stop that, little boy.
No.
Okay, it's time to say goodbye.
Bye.
Hey, stop that.
If you want to watch more, then click this little boy in the middle and subscribe. Bye.